Hey everyone, welcome to Wealthy Ways. Ready to dive into the world of passive income? No matter your earnings, there's a passive income stream waiting for you. Today we're exploring 5 passive income ideas for low-income earners. Let's get started. Idea number 1, Robo Advisors. Robo Advisors are a hassle-free way into investing. With minimal capital, you can start growing a diversified portfolio. They make the investment journey accessible for everyone. It's a smart way to have your money work for you, even with a small starting base. For instance, apps like Betterment or Wealthfront can be a great starting point. Idea number 2, micro-investment apps. Micro-investment apps like Acorns or Stash allow you to start small. They round up your daily transactions and invest the spare change, a simple step into the investing world. Over time, these small investments can accumulate into a substantial sum. Idea number 3, niche dropshipping store. Launch a niche dropshipping store to tap into a targeted market. Platforms like Shopify help set it up. With the right marketing, you can generate a steady passive income. Plus, the dropshipping model minimizes inventory costs, maximizing your profit margin. Idea number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper offer peer-to-peer lending, earning you interest by lending to individuals or businesses. A small investment can set you on the path to earning passive income. It's a modern way to earn interest while supporting others financially. Idea number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing with a blog or social media can earn commissions through product promotions. Platforms like Amazon Associates offer a plethora of products to promote. By aligning with your interests, affiliate marketing can also be an enjoyable venture. Leap into these passive income ideas to kickstart your financial growth. A modest step today could pave the way for a financially stable tomorrow. Dive in and start your passive income journey now.